Hi, I'm Mrs. C, and today we're going to be talking about shapes. We're going to be learning about right triangles. A right triangle is just like any other triangle in the fact that it has three sides and 3 points, but it's special because one of those points is a right angle or a 90-degree angle. Let's take a look. If you know anything about squares, which you should because you should have watched my squares and rectangles video already, then you know that a square has four sides and four right angles. If we were to take a square and cut it in half diagonally, we would be left with two triangles, two right triangles. As you can see, each of these triangles has three sides and 3 points, but they each have a special angle, a right angle or a 90-degree angle for one of their angles. I've put a blue square there to show you which one has the 90-degree angle. And you can see the other right triangle also has a right angle. Let's look at some more right triangles. Here's a right triangle. As you can see, it has three sides and 3 points, and one of those points is special because it is a 90-degree angle. Here's another right triangle with a right angle. Here's another right triangle with a 90-degree angle. Another right triangle with a 90-degree angle. Another right triangle. This one's shaped a little bit differently. It's kind of flipped to the side, but it still has that 90-degree angle, so we know it's a right triangle. And there's another one kind of in a funny angle there, but it has a 90-degree angle, so we know it's a right triangle. So now you know that in order for a triangle to be a right triangle, it has three sides and three angles, just like every other triangle, but it has one angle that is a 90-degree angle. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.